How to watch anime for free. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will get to know some sites where you can watch your favorite anime shows for free. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your web application. The first website that will allow you to watch every anime for free is Crunchyroll. At the top search bar, simply type in Crunchyroll. This is the official website of Crunchyroll. Open it, and at the top search bar, type in the name of the anime that you would like to see, and that way you will be able to view it. And the second site that you could watch animes for free is Popcorn Flicks. Type in Popcorn Flicks in your top search bar. This is the official website of Popcorn Flicks. Here also, search for any animes that you would like to watch on the top search bar, and that way you will be able to see all of your favorite animes in the site. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon.